Sat Sri Akal, Namaskar, I'm Dinkar Gupta, Director General of Police, Punjab, and I would be talking to you about the COVID situation in Punjab, which is presently under control, and with the cooperation of the people of the state who have been complying with the various security, with the health safety instructions and norms. And the total positive cases till now over the last this is at 93rd day and of the COVID situation all over the country, and in Punjab the total positive cases till now are 4,397, and the recovered cases, people who became positive and who have recovered from COVID-19 disease, there are 3,047. And unfortunately, we've lost 105 lives of citizens in Punjab so far. And the active cases today are 1,245. So the recovery rate is over 70%, and I do want to share with you that this disease, you can recover from this disease. The key to full recovery and early recovery is early diagnosis and treatment. In fact, people who are dying of this disease are those who don't take this disease seriously. So I would like to tell you that please, if you have any symptoms of COVID, by now everyone knows about COVID symptoms, which are fever and cough, and so those kind of symptoms are important, and you should be very careful and very alert to these kind of symptoms. So I would request you to call up the health helpline or the medical helpline, which is started by the Punjab government, which is available 24/7. So please dial 104 if you are having continuous fever for over 24 hours, for over 1 day or two days. Don't take it lightly. Call up 104. There is no stigma attached with the disease. Anyone can be infected with this disease. So there is no stigma. There should be no hesitation on your part. So please call 104, because timely medical advice and treatment is very important for a full recovery. Otherwise, the health deteriorates, and in fact, it has been shown by studies that it's kind of taking about 10 days since the first symptoms appeared, and 10 days from the time of first symptoms to their admission in hospital. So if you don't report your symptoms, if you don't seek medical advice and support from doctors, it becomes problematic. Then, so kindly raise an alarm and seek medical advice. I have seen this in the cases of our police officers. In fact, about over 23,000 police officers have gone through a random sampling process all over the state starting from 1st of June. And out of them, only about 0.56% policemen have reported positive. There were some symptomatic cases, some bad cases. Even in those cases, we had a case of an ASI from Amritsar, Assistant Sub-Inspector, who recovered because of timely support from the state advisory group. Similarly, there was another case of ASI Harmesh Lal of Hoshiarpur, who was doing duty at a toll plaza in Bullowal in Hoshiarpur district. So we looked after him. He was admitted in Johal Hospital, Jalandhar. He was put on ventilator on Sunday. So with proactive kind of support and help and hand-holding by the state health advisory group, he was taken off the ventilator today. So these are cases, I'm discussing these cases with you just to show that timely medical help and advice is very important and critical for recovery. Otherwise, there is nothing to fear from this disease. I mean, it can happen to anyone, so there is no stigma attached to it. At the same time, I want to thank you for your cooperation with the police, with the administration of the state. Honorable Chief Minister Punjab has been very proactive right from the beginning, and that's why we've had good results in Punjab, and a lot of capacity has been built to tackle this disease. And so I request you for your cooperation to tackle this COVID crisis. And please bear with us, and I'll also like to caution you that we are going to be very tough on people who are violating the directions of the Government of India, the directions given by the Punjab government, by the Punjab Health Department as regards wearing of face masks, as regards compulsory wearing of face masks in public. This is for your own safety and good health, and also social distancing. Social distancing, etc., is very important. There are reports, we do see people who are taking things lightly. They feel it is business as usual, and this as if there is normalcy has returned and there is no fear or scare of COVID. This is not correct. So please, we'll come down. Don't force us to take harsh measures. You don't want to go into a curfew or a lockdown situation again. So we are still in the middle of this crisis. So please obey and comply with directions. Large social gatherings at marriages, parties, etc., they have to be avoided because they can put you and put your lives at risk. And large social gatherings, etc., closed spaces, crowds, they have to be avoided. So, and avoid close contacts, maintain social distancing, keep distance, and obey the directions given by the state health authorities, by the union health authorities, and by the police. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.